how to convert text to video in Canva. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, you need to click on the create section from here. So let's say we'll just select the pixel for presentation, and then after coming to the presentation section, we just have to click on the magic media section as you can see here, and then you just have to simply click on the videos. So the what does the magic media do? The magic media is an AI based on my prompt. It will provide me video like koi pond. If we type that and click on generate video, it will generate a video as my designated prompt. So as you can see, the koi pond prompts video is here. So you can add other prompts and make it more desirable. So I'll just take this one and drag and drop it like here, and I'll just stretch it out to my pixel, and here you can see my text to video is now generated, and now I can use it on anywhere, like on my design or my website or anywhere I like to use. So that's it for this video. That's how you can convert text to videos in Canva. See you on the next video, guys.